everyone. We're going to talk about your application-based activities and how to access them and how to go through them. So we're going to go into your first one, which I believe, yeah, here we go. So you'll click on the link and it's going to, take you to this launch assignment. It's not going to let me do that because it doesn't like that I'm not a student, but I'm still going to be able to get in here and show you what these look like. But for you, it should go straight into it. So let me just log in to the thing that I need to log into. Yeah. Okay, so this allows me to review it. So this is where this page right here is what should pop up for you. So same thing for all the application-based activities. It should take you directly to it. This is just kind of talking to you about, help and things like that. But you're essentially going to, read through. It's kind of just like a scenario. I'm just going to randomly, pick somebody, and then you're going to hit play. The important thing though is that, right now you haven't done anything, so this is kind of misleading that you have 100%. So what you're going to do is you've got these materials that are going to help you along the way, but you're basically kind of looking at like a chat conversation, and you're going to go through it. You're going to review the information, that they put up there. And, as you go through the conversation, it's going to start asking you questions. All right. And so let's just say that we get this, we go ahead and we put the wrong answer. It's going to prompt you again, right? And if you look at your score, now you can see it's changed, right? So because you didn't get that question right. So once you get the correct answer, it will update things. So you can kind of see your score as you go through, right? And you're just going to work your way through, the questions. If you ever get stuck on one, like I said, you can look at these different websites and it will give you help. So like if you don't know what type of plate boundary the San Andreas Fault is, you can go here and you'll just work your way through. Now, I don't believe that it saves your progress as you go through it. So if you were to exit out of this, it's not gonna save your information and you're gonna have to do it all over again. And I believe you only have like 2 attempts on these. So, you definitely want to make sure that whenever you're doing this, you're going to be here, to go through the whole thing. Otherwise, it's going to end up, like if you exit out halfway through, you're not going to have a good score. So that's just something to be mindful of. And this is how it's going to work for all of your application-based activities. So, like even if we go in here, it should take you directly to the volcano one. You're not going to have to, go through all the crazy stuff that I had to do. But like, right. So just to kind of show you the volcano one real quick, right. So it should take you directly here, same kind of format. You just randomly pick your, your avatar and your player name and then you're off. Right. And so the format is essentially same for all of them, right? And you're just going to go through and answer your questions, right? And it will tell you, right? So see, I got a 10 out of 10 because I got that one correct, right? And so now I go to my score. Oh, look, I did good. So, You just work your way through. Now, if you have any questions about this, please, reach out to me. More than happy to help. But it's pretty, just kind of point and click kind of information.